Hi folks, this is the mod for the Lazy T. We're in the middle part, Alexandria, Alabama. We're sitting in an RV park, but I did the mod earlier. I put a Lazy T seal up on the roof to stop the rain from coming underneath the awning and running down on the screen. So it's raining outside, coming down pretty heavy. You can see that I have no rivers coming down on my screen, and you can see the awning is out about 4.5 feet, and the rain is coming down. The actual rain is coming down from the front of the van down towards the passenger side. But my point in case here is absolutely no rivers, no water coming down on my screen while it's raining. So mission accomplished. The mod that I made absolutely positively works. All the rain is being channeled down the front right corner A-pillar and running down there instead of coming down and running on my screen. Alright guys, I want to keep it short and sweet. Just letting you know that what I did works.